to the CDC, heart disease is the leading cause of death among Texans, especially Texas women.
So now a support group in Austin is showing other Texans they're not alone. Our Veronica Barriga has more.
And the battery goes in this pocket of the shirt.
So that he doesn't look like the Unabomber.
No, and well, I do, but not that much. And then the controller sets right about tummy high. So every morning you do that.
76-year-old Tom Bukowski suffers from heart failure and now depends on a left ventricle assist device known as an LVAD to live.
I've been fighting heart problems since I was 45 years old. And it just every year got a little worse. I had a bunch of bypass surgeries, everything you can think of, pacemaker, defibrillator.
Liz Canales and Tom have spent the last year adjusting to their new lives.
I think for me the hardest part isn't really the outlook, because I feel like, especially knowing some people now that have had one for several years and that they're still, doing well.
Together, she and Tom help lead an LVAD support group to help others.
The hospital tells you pretty much everything you need to know, but you get the personal part of it here. I could read you part of the book, but who wants to hear the manual? Not me.
Cardiologist Dr. Jerome Thompson at Heart Hospital of Austin came up with the idea for the group after seeing his patients' need for emotional support and help with practical things, like finding the right clothing to wear.
We made it kind of our policy that patients would have to meet with another patient and their caregivers to kind of get their sense on what it's like to live with the VAD and what life after a VAD looks like. And this slowly grew and blossomed. The patients would then check on the other patients, and then they would start to get together.
Although it has not been easy, both patients say the whole experience has made them grateful, and they plan to keep sharing their lives to help others.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. For more refreshing stories about your community, click the subscribe button over here. You can also download our Spectrum News app and tune in to Channel 55 on Dish and DirecTV to get live news coverage, weather updates every 10 minutes, and more. We'll see you then.